welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and today we'll be unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro. But before we get to that, for those of you that are also interested in fashion type videos, I've also got the new Hermes AirTag as well, which will be coming in a future video. So if you want to see that, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay guys, we are back. As you can see, this is the box itself, and the packaging this year is slightly different. Instead of being wrapped in plastic, you just get two pull tabs on the back. So one on here and one here. Flip it back over. Now, what are the chances of them bringing the power brick back? My money's on 0, but you can let me know. Ready for the reveal? And there it is, guys. Handy tab. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. And what do we get? We get usual 10 little point information, any Apple stickers. Yep, we're getting a single Apple sticker. And we also get a charging cable, and the same as last year, nothing else in the box. But you're not here to see the box or what's inside it, you're here to see the device itself. So, and before we power it on, this is the Sierra Blue. Let's power it on. And as you can see, with the brand new screen, it actually does say hello in a bunch of different languages. So to do the usual setup, you just swipe up from the bottom. We're going to choose our language as English, set the region that you're from, country, that sort of thing. Then we need to choose our Wi-Fi network. Okay, we are now back, and the iPhone 13 Pro has now fully been set up and restored from iCloud, and at the moment it's restoring all my apps, etc. So this is the new colour, as I said, the Sierra Blue. I hope this looks good on camera. Just getting a better view of it. And I personally think, depending on where the light hits it, it shifts between a light blue and a light grey, and I really like that. And what I didn't actually tell you before is that this time around I went for the 512 gig model, purely because of the cinematic mode and the upcoming ProRes. And ProRes is video is, I think that's exclusive to the Pro models, whereas cinematic mode is available on all iPhone 13 models. And for, is it ProRes or cinematic mode? Well, it's one of them, that you need at least 256 gigabytes of storage to be able to record that in 4K. Otherwise, it will default to 1080p. So if you like this video, subscribe, like, and if you want to see future videos on this, like how well the camera performs, let me know in the comments. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.